to make the dessert, you're going to make up a protein shake as you would do normally. In this instance I'm using a diet strawberry shake, but I'm substituting the water for soya milk. You can use normal cow's milk, and I'm using a gelatine sachet. First, make up a double-sized shake using the soya milk. Next, make up the gelatine following the instructions and add that to the shake that you've already made. Then give the whole mixture a bit of a shake and then portion it out into 3 separate portions and set in the fridge for a couple hours.